Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with G2 for tracking tools and comparisons step by step clearly. Visit the G2 website at www.g2.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and enter it into the password field. Select your role from the drop-down menu. Choose your company size from the list provided. Enter the company name and your job title in the respective fields. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Look for a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and click on the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the G2 website and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to explore available tools and features. Use the search bar to find specific tracking tools or categories you are interested in. Utilize the comparison feature to analyze different products side by side. Take advantage of user reviews and ratings to inform your decisions. Bookmark your favorite tools for easy access later. Explore additional resources and guides to maximize your experience on G2. Your registration is now complete, and you are ready to track tools and make comparisons effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.